Hey y'all, I've got a 24-ounce tub of sour cream. It's going right into this crock pot. Make sure I got all the pieces out of the tub. We're gonna be adding an entire 5-ounce bottle of Frank's Red Hot to this. Just the entire bottle. Little salt. And a little pepper. This is going to be the best. You can either serve this as an appetizer or you can actually serve this over like some kind of carb like rice or noodles. And mix this all together just real quick. To that, we're going to be adding just a couple of spoonfuls of this light brown sugar, just to kind of make it a little sweet, but not too sweet. Mix this together just so you don't get any brown sugar clumps anywhere. This is an amazing little recipe that I found. It's so good, it's always a hit. I make this for my family all the time, especially when the weather's cooler. Once that is all combined, we're adding a 32-ounce bag of these home-style meatballs. The whole bag goes right in there. Just another quick toss. Make sure the sauce is all over those meatballs. We're gonna top everything with 1 stick of butter that I've sliced up. Just go ahead and just dot these all over the top of those meatballs. Make them extra creamy. Just like that. Just add a little bit of dried parsley right on top. Just like that. And just put the lid on this and set this on high for 2 hours or on low for 3. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I'm gonna give this a stir, get all that buffalo creaminess all over the meatballs. So good. I've got some bow tie pasta to put these meatballs on so I can do this taste test. Oh, this looks so good, guys. I'm gonna take a meatball and some pasta. Oh wow, that is so good. If you like buffalo wings, but don't want to deal with all the bones and everything, you should make a batch of these creamy buffalo meatballs. Serve them over some pasta, guaranteed hit.